In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we welcome you to our channel from the platform of Uber Testara. I am your host, HM Khan. Assalamu alaikum, my Pakistanis. I hope you are doing well. A lot of people have emailed me and asked me a question, and it is related to going and importing yourself. People tell me that if we go to China, will we get cheaper things? And if we want to bring something from there, how will we bring it and what should be its quantity? And if we bring the product from there, I have heard that we will get less tax. Today's vlog is related to this topic. I would like to tell you what is the benefit of going to China and purchasing the product, and how much quantity can you bring from there, and how can you bring it, and can you save in customs or duty? Yes, if your quantity is less, 5 to 10 kg, 15 kg, then you have the benefit. But if the quantity is more and you have brought it for sale and purchase, then you will have to data problem of the product. This is about importing in Pakistan. What is the benefit of seeing the product in China? As I said, the benefit is that you can see the product in front of you and the supplier will be in front of you. You can understand the thing and buy it. But as far as your investment is concerned, there will be no benefit but only loss, because when the customer comes in front of the Chinese, they do business with them in the same way as if you were going to purchase from a wholesaler in Pakistan. If you sit here and bargain with them, even if I have seen this and I have also seen this, we succeed in breaking the rate. But when we meet them on the spot, even if we go to their party, they do not cooperate with us, mostly in those cases where the quantity of our product is between 1 kilogram to 100 kilograms. Yes, in that case, you have the benefit. If you want to book a whole container or want to purchase some machinery or some related raw material, if you want to buy 1 to 2 containers in a month, then you will definitely benefit. But small items, especially those people who have watches, magnets, toys, t-shirts and mobile accessories, they think that we should go to China. These days you can get a visa easily and the ticket is also very less. We will go to China and buy it. You will not get any benefit in case you are not buying a container. So this is the current situation of the Chinese market. Secondly, when you go there, you do not even know what their suppliers do in the factory. They can tell you anything, they can discuss their designation with you, they can tell you anything about their designation, but because there is a language barrier, you are not understanding their language, so you do not know what they do there. Mostly they play the role of agents. They tell you that this is their factory. They make you visit here. When they purchase sealant from there, it is their deal. You do not understand anything. You have to pay money. Sometimes you have to pay more in small quantities. After that, it will be better if you go to Pakistan and arrange for a freight forwarder. In their warehouse, you drop the goods. It will be better for them to deliver the goods to your home in Pakistan. But if the quantity is less, 5 to 10 kilograms, 15 kilograms, even up to 20 kilograms, and you can carry it, then bring it. But in Pakistan, it depends on the product. If you have to pay tax on it, then you have to pay. And if your thinking is that we will be saved from it, then you will be saved from tax. You will not be saved at all. According to the rules and regulations, you will have to pay the taxes. It depends on the HS code. Keep this in mind. Many people have this problem. They do not have money evidence. Secondly, they do not have source of income. How did you pay your money there? You will say that I took $1,000, I paid it there, but the receipt will be asked here. Secondly, the HS code will be there. If you do not provide the HS code, then it is understood. Customers will automatically check according to the rulings. Whatever the ruling is, they will make the payment according to the ruling. Even if you bought it for $100, if it becomes $1,000, you will have to pay tax on $1,000. Many people have this problem. These things should be understood. Secondly, I will still give you a good option. If you want to go there and purchase, you can do it, but arrange for a freight forwarder from Pakistan. Take their China address, deliver goods to their address, then decide the rate with them. They will deliver it to your house. Your city in Pakistan is related to any city. It is their job to deliver it to you. I hope you liked the video. Click on the like button. You can talk to me on the email address below. You can email me anytime. Peace be upon you. Pakistan Zindabad.